I made a small pack with images of various bloggers and characters from several games. You can use them for thumbnails or for example to practice your skills. I have been reading to several times about where I get such pictures of characters from GTA 5, but I didn't want to make a pack only for GTA 5. But if there is a lot of demand for it, maybe I'll do it. There are more than 50 photos in this pack, some without backgrounds, some are not very good quality, some are the opposite. As you can see, there are photos of Ali Abdaal, Andrew Tate, Mr. Beast and others. 3 photos of Ali Abdaal. One of them is from my previous video where I tried to replicate one of Ali's thumbnails. I suggest after that video to check out the channel and watch this video. You can also get a PSD of this work. A few pictures of Tate. A few pictures of agents from CS2, 2 without background and 2 with background. There are 18 photos of different bloggers in this folder. I don't remember their names, so I put them all in one folder. Graham Stephan, 2 photos. This folder is probably the most interesting for many people. It contains photos of characters from GTA 5. There are 8 photos here. Iman Gadzi, here are 2 photos. For practice I think it will be fine. Also probably an interesting folder for many people. Here are photos of Mr. Beast, 6 photos. PewDiePie, probably not everyone remembers him, also 2 pictures. Ryan Trahan, 3 pictures, 2 of them I took from thumbnails. And another blogger from the standoff game. There are a total of 54 photos in this compilation. I think everyone will find something interesting for themselves. If this video gets good activity, I will try to make a second pack, but more extensive.